Hi, this is Alan J here. I thought I'd just show you a video of the solenoid driver board tester. So I'm just going to plug it in and we'll just see it resets and boots up. And the first thing it's saying is fix any lit Q LED circuit. So as we can see, Q11 is lit, so that's showing me that Q11 circuit or the Q11 transistor is shorted, and the reason it's shorted is I've just shorted it to ground with a crocodile clip. So if I take that off, you can see that I've fixed the problem. So on a working board, this is what you should see on power up. If any of the LEDs are on, then you've got a shorted or a blown circuit. Now we'll do the next test. So I'll press start. So it's the all circuit test. And as you can see, it runs through from Q1 all the way up to Q19. Q15, as you probably know, is special. It's the flipper enable relay. There's two LEDs on there because we're testing both the relays left and right flipper circuit connections. Okay, so we've done that. Let's just stop that. We're now into the single tests and we can go through, excuse me, Q1, Q2, and it's showing that, for example, Q5 is a momentary solenoid and it's logic output 2 from the IC on the solenoid driver board. And we can go forwards, we can go backwards, just in case we click too quickly, and we can go all the way up to the end. And once we get to the end, or you try and go back from the beginning, then we're on to the next test. And the final two tests are, we can test the high voltage circuit. So there's a high voltage test button here. If I press that, you can see that the high voltage test light illuminates. It takes a while to go out, and that's putting the highest voltage that we've got on the tester board, which is around 40 volts, through what would normally be the sort of 200 volt circuit. But if that circuit's working, it will light the LED. If the LED doesn't light, then there's a problem with your high voltage circuit. Okay, so we've done that. Then the final test is a similar one on the 5 volt circuit. So if we press the 5 volt test button, we can see that the LED lights, and that's testing, it's generating the 11.9 volts that goes into this big smoothing capacitor, then into the 5 volt regulator, then measuring the output from that 5 volt regulator to the light, the LED. So again, if the LED doesn't light, then that circuit isn't working. And that's it, that's the tester.